Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to motovlog with a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Y'all stick around. Alright, let's talk about what you need to be able to do a motovlog with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Whenever I decided that I wanted to do motovlogs on my channel and I started looking at different setups, I had several people tell me, hey man, just go out and buy the GoPro Hero 7. You can buy the mic adapter, and they've got a cool little case that bundles it all together that you mount to the chin of your helmet. If I was in a hurry, yeah, absolutely, that would have been a great option, but GoPro had just released the Hero 8 Black, and I wanted that camera over the 7. I simply just had to wait a little bit longer for the media mod to be released, that way I could purchase it. But as you can see, it all works and sounds good. So you're going to need the GoPro Hero 8 Black, obviously. Then you're going to need the media mod. The media mod replaces the mic adapter that you would have purchased for older series of the GoPros. It's got different inputs on the back. I'll show you guys a photo. And the arrow that I have pointing, that's the jack port that you're going to plug a lav mic into. Personally, I have the Purple Panda lav mic. I believe I got it off of Amazon. I'll be sure to leave links down below to all these products that I'm using and talking about in this video. Now keep in mind, I don't have any kind of affiliate links, like I don't get any kickbacks or anything for leaving a link for you guys. Alright, so I've got the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mod mounted to the top of my modular helmet currently. And then I have that Purple Panda lav mic just plugged into it. I've got a piece of tape holding all the extra wires, and then I've put the mic inside of my helmet just behind the cheek pad. I also put a dead cat over it just to kind of help with the wind noise and help with the sound quality of the video. So anyway, once you get everything installed, hey telephone man, make sure nothing coming here. So once you get everything mounted to the helmet, you're going to want to go into the GoPro's settings or the preferences and go under the input-output settings, and you're going to want to have the settings selected for the standard mic. Now, the GoPro Hero 8, it does have multiple input settings as far as like if you wanted to use a powered mic, non-powered mic, it's got, you know, plus settings and different things like that. But you just need the regular standard mic for all of this to work. Another tip for you is whenever you get the Purple Panda microphone, you're going to have the microphone and then it's going to have an adapter to be able to plug into the media mod. Make sure that you have that adapter plugged in all the way to the microphone, or you'll be like me, think you have it all put together and wonder why your audio is not working. So make sure everything's pushed in all the way and you shouldn't have any issues. Alright guys, I hope you learned something by watching this video. Whenever I decided that I wanted to motovlog with the Hero 8, there wasn't a lot of information out there. So now you'll have this helpful video here on YouTube. If you like the video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go down there and click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload my next video, be sure to click that bell notification button. I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see a video about other products, I'll leave a video up here. And then also, if you want to see one of my training videos, I'll leave it over here. As always, y'all ride safe. I'll see y'all in the next video.